Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to create customer invoice in Netsuite 2025. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process from accessing an invoicing feature to reviewing the final invoice. Let's jump right in. Step 1. First, log into your Netsuite account. From your dashboard, navigate to the Customers menu. Here, select Invoice Sales Orders. This is where the magic begins. Step 2. Selecting orders for invoicing. On the invoice sales order pages, you'll see a list of sales orders ready for invoicing. You can select multiple orders by checking the boxes next to them. If you don't see any here, don't worry, you can also access this from the sales orders to invoice section. Step 3. Once you have selected the orders, click the submit button. This will generate invoices for those selected sales orders. You will be prompted to choose a posting period and whether you'd like to print or email in the invoices to your customers. Step 4. After submitting, you will be redirected to the process status page. Here, you can monitor the progress of your invoice generation. A simple refresh is usually enough, especially if you have selected just few orders. Let's quick, easy. Step 5. Once complete, click on the complete status link. This will take you to a detailed view of each invoice created. Double check all the details to ensure everything is accurate and ready to go. And that is it. Creating a customer invoice in Netsuite 2025 is straightforward and efficient. By following simple steps, you will keep your invoicing accurate, timely, and hassle-free. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.